Hey Duda Dojoers, I'm Rachel, and today I'm going to teach you some tips and tricks in Duda 2.0. We're going to learn how to update a content and image section. Let's get started. The Duda platform is super intuitive. When you're updating content, it's going to work a lot like a Microsoft Word document. So you're going to click into the section that you want to make an update. You click on the text, Manage Text, and you simply type in your change. It's easy as that. How should you update an image? An image, it's still as easy. You click in, hit Manage Image. You can click Replace. If you already have an image that you like in your content library, you just hit Select. Or if you need to upload an image, you click Upload and you grab it from your computer. You hit Replace. You can add a little bit of alt text, and then you check out. All right, it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Check out the next episode.